first special summer school in Kuje, Abuja has made a lot of impact to me. Like, I didn't know how to make Canva, but now I know how to make Canva using phones or any device. And I didn't know how to do tie and dyeing, but now I have the skills of tie and dyeing. And I was not that good at clock, but now, after I attended the special summer school in Kuje, Abuja, I was able to tell the time.
Before, she don't know how they do this watch. She don't know how they calculate the watch. But now they are teaching her for there. Even her around handwriting, she had tried. They are teaching her how she will write and how she will perfect.
What I've learned from special summer school, it has helped me to build up my self-confidence. It has helped me to become a better steward, managing time and resources that is entrusted to me.
I've been attending special for about 5 years now. Really, this special summer school have brought a great impact on me and my education and my life. When I started attending special, my vocabularies were very bad, but now I can testify I really improved. I could also wish if other children on the streets can also come to special and also enjoy and also feel the advantage here.
It was 2019 we met Special Foundation. It was a little bit difficult to put Destiny in school. Then she was in nursery 2. I was looking for a school that I can put her, that I will be able to afford, because I'm a teacher by profession. And you know, our salary is not that much. Paying house rent, paying school fees, feeding and others. That was how Special Foundation came in. Since 2019 to date, they have been of great help. So I really appreciate God, because that burden of school fees, they took it away from me for the past 6 years. And it's a tear of joy to me.
I'm excited to be part of the special summer school in Kuje 2025. And I had the pleasure of interacting with the children today. It was just so inspirational listening to the kids speak about their learnings over the last couple of weeks. The dream of the Special Foundation is to ensure that we can inspire the next quality of African leaders. It is an honor and a privilege to be a part of this vision. A vision to ensure that no child gets left behind. The vision to understand that every child's dream is valid and every child has a right to dream, and to enable that growth and development.
My journey with the Special Foundation has been nothing short of exciting. It all began when my younger brother, a beneficiary of the foundation, attended Kazacha School, a connection which has opened doors for me too. In the early years, where I was introduced to topics on patriotism and togetherness as one Nigeria, alongside vocabulary, collaboration and communication skills building. In later years, I learned about entrepreneurship and community problem solving, skills which I carry with me in my everyday life, influencing how I think and live. I grew from being a student to working as an assistant tutor, speaking confidently, loving my country deeply, managing my resources wisely, and living as a good communicator.
I'm a widow with 2 children. The work I do is I go to people's house, wash clothes, wash toilets. So you can see with the situation of this country, it is not easy for a widow to cater for 2 children. If not for God sent through Special Foundation, I don't think I would have been able to send my kids to school.
You know, the Special Summer School program, one of the things that we are trying to ensure is to attract out-of-school children. And it's been such a great joy seeing that a lot of the children today are out-of-school children. They're children who, for whatever reason, their parents are unable to provide access to education for them. And so what we try to do is attract them into this program structured for a couple of weeks and ensure that we can also retain them and encourage their children, their parents to leave them in school and sponsor and take responsibility for their education.
Kazacha School has helped me to learn a lot of things, which will stick with me forever. And I love you, Special Foundation, for sponsoring me to Kazacha School. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Special Foundation, for paying my fees since nursery 2 until primary 5, which I'm now going to just 1. Thank you very much for touching lives.
This year, Kazacha School worked with 150 students. Our curriculum focused on key themes like mathematics, entrepreneurial mindset, literacy, critical thinking, and public speaking. One of our highlights of this year's program was the product design session, where students explored hands-on skills using stencil and tie and dye. One of the components of this year's program was the introduction of a Stewardship challenge, a competition designed to help children understand the importance of being active contributors to their society. Overall, this year's program offered a well-rounded learning experience that went way beyond the classroom and extended into real-life applications.
Now, Special Summer School program has ended. But we are not done. We are rising stars with skills, with dreams. The future is indeed bright because we grew.
All thanks to the Special Foundation. I love you all.
Special!